Hello everyone. In one of my latest videos I showed you these catalogs from Britons from 1980, 81 and 82, but I didn't have any model to show you from Britons. So I thought let's order a model and a couple of other things. And I've ordered this very nice looking Land Rover in a 1/32 scale, and it is a new one for 2022. It's the Muddy Land Rover Defender 90. I also ordered this figure in a 1/32 scale. It's a farmer. I thought it looks cool next to the Land Rover. And I've ordered this oak tree. And this is from a long time ago. How will I know? Well, it has a sticker on the back that says veel plezier en tot ziens. Have fun and see you later, from Bart Smith. And that is a toy store from a long time ago, which unfortunately is no more. So we're going to build the tree, but first we're going to look at the Land Rover. Here we got the box, like I said, Britain's brand that is known for the models of farmer tractors, construction machines, figures, etc. Do we have more information? Yeah, the scale, already said that, 1/32 scale, Diecast model plus plastic parts. So here we got a photo of the Land Rover and some specs. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. And here we got the back, so we see we can take the bumper off and we can take that storage rack off. Here some more information, tommy.com, barcode, article number, and more text. But we're going to open the box. First looks, I like it. Okay, we have this rope underneath it. See if we can do it like this. There's one. And that's two. I hate these kind of things. There's one. There's the other one. Whoa. And we got also a piece of plastic here, because I think you can take the roof off. See if I can do it like this without damaging the car. There we go. So here it is. Do we have an opening part? No, we don't have an opening part. And the wheel is pretty loose. I have to do something about that. Here we got the bag, we got Land Rover and the mud flaps. It's nice and weathered. Now I think I can take this off. Yes. But I think with the storage bracket it looks way cooler. Of course, it's a right-hand drive because it's a British model. Oh, we also have some, yes, but you can take the bumper off. There we go. Lanced headlights, but that's obvious when a model is a lot bigger than a 164 that I normal collect. Yeah, I think it's a very cool model. Side mirrors. Let's check the interior. Let's put some light on. Just a black interior, nice steering wheel. And we also got some seats in the back. Let's check out the base. It's a plastic base. Got some details. And the car rolls really well, no wobbling wheels. It's just perfect. But yeah, I like it more with the rack on side. Okay, can I do something about that spare wheel? I don't think so. It is what it is. So it looks great. Only downside is this loose spare wheel. And I'm afraid I can't do anything about that. Yeah, I can use some glue here and then glue it on there. I think I'm going to do that. Yeah, that should be possible. Back in a sec, guys. So I have this super glue that I use. It's especially for model building. Now what I'm going to do is to put it right here and put, there we go. And then you have to look that the mud is on the right side. So I have to do it like this. And then we have to wait. A bit of blowing. So I'm going to do that off camera. So I put the Land Rover like this so the glue can dry. Should take a couple of minutes. Do I have other models in 1/32 scale? Yes, I have this Land Rover from Forces of Valor. Also got a couple of tanks and trucks from Forces of Valor in the same scale. And I have this Challenger tractor in a 1/32 scale. Did a review about it and will place a link in the description. And I would also place a link in the description from the same Humvee, different color that I did, I think a year ago. In the meanwhile, while the spare tire from the Land Rover is drying, I'm going to build this giant oak. And that is not super exciting, so I'm going to do that off camera and you will see the result when I'm finished. Small update from the oak tree. Got everything off the frame. That goes very easy. And here is the top, but the rest you can decide where to put it. And now I'm busy with the leaves, and that's also very easy. So what you do is you take one turn, it comes off, and you, sorry, you have a pin right here, and here you have a hole. Voila. Back when I'm finished. Oak tree is finished, and I'm pretty happy with the result. This is not bad at all. For a toy tree, it is very good looking. And I think I can even use it for 164 cars. Maybe it fits even better with a 164 car. Do I have a 164 car? Yes. Why not? Very good looking. It's even better than the Land Rover next to it. Then it's a small oak tree. And now it's a very big oak tree. Okay. The glue did its job. Tire is now not loose anymore. I forgot to show you that you can take the bumper off. So this is how it looks with the bumper off. In my opinion, it looks way cooler with the bumper on. Really happy with this model. Okay, I'm going to put it on the turntable and then you can watch the model for as long as you want. And let me know what you think about it in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy hunting. Bye.